I'm Ross.
I'm Ezgi.
So we came from Turkey for this vegan getaway. There's so many different aspects of this trip, and really all of them have been just incredible, magical, and perfect. Being in a group of like-minded people, especially like-minded vegans, it's something that we all share. It's been incredible. This is my first group trip, and not having to worry about planning where we're gonna go, what we're gonna eat. You know, when it's, as a vegan, it's kind of an uphill battle. You know, we haven't had to worry about any of that. It's just been 7 absolutely blissful days.
This has been my first getaway like this, and I don't know how possibly anything else is gonna follow up. Thank you very much, Getaway Co.